Hi guys, so with the Amphi data being released yesterday, it's time to look at how the top three mutual fund houses reshuffled their portfolios during the month of December. And a clear trend can be established in terms of all top three mutual fund houses increasing their exposure towards the financial stocks and reducing their exposure towards the material stocks, which is namely the metal counters. But first, let's have a look at how SBI Mutual Fund performed during the month of December. They had equity assets worth 3.8 lakh crores and their top sector exposure stood towards the financials and IT stocks. They increased exposure in financials and consumer discretionary, while they have also reduced stocks in communications as well as real estate space. Amongst the top five purchases stood out were Yes Bank, GAIL, ICICI Bank, Ahluwalia Contracts and HDFC Bank. What they have sold off or reduced stake considerably is Vedanta, Axis Bank, Indian Hotels, Gland Pharma and SBI. Secondly, let's have a look at ICICI Prudential Mutual Funds portfolio. They have equity assets of nearly 2.5 lakh crores and their top sector exposure stands towards financials as well as IT stocks. Their largest sectoral buys came in from utilities and financials, while they reduced stake from materials as well as energy stocks. The top five purchases were Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, NTPC, SBI and Mahindra and Mahindra. From the selling list, they had Bharti Airtel, L&T, BEL, ITC and DMart featuring in the list. Lastly, let's address how HDFC Mutual Fund's portfolio has been reshuffled in the month gone by. They have equity assets of almost 2 lakh crores and their top sector exposure stands towards financials and industrials. The largest sectoral buys came in from communications and financials, while the largest sector sell-offs came in from utilities and material space. The largest buys, the top five names stand out over here are IDFC, NHPC, ITC, Yes Bank along with PNB. From the selling list, you have Vedanta, Tata Motors, SBI, NTPC and GAIL India, which make it into the top five selling list.